Hello everyone, today we will learn about ideal low pass filters. We know that low pass filters are those filters which allows low frequencies to pass through it and blocks all the higher order frequencies. This is the characteristics of an ideal low pass filter. It passes all the frequencies from 0 to Fc. Fc is the cutoff frequency. After that, it blocks all the higher order frequencies. Practically, this change from pass band to stop band is not possible. So to design any practical low pass filter, we have to make several approximations in ideal characteristics. One of the approximations is shown in this figure. Here in this approximation, two new frequencies have come, pass Fp and Fs. Fp is pass band H frequency at which reduction has been started, and Fs is the stop band H frequencies after which filter blocks all the frequencies. Cutoff frequencies Fc always lies between Fp and Fs. Fc is cutoff frequency. Fc is 3 dB down of the maximum value in the log scale and 1 by root 2 times of the maximum value in the absolute scale. Delta F is the transition frequency from pass band to stop band. So we have to make several changes in the characteristics of an ideal low pass filter to design any filter practically. We can make several other approximations are also there, like Butterworth filter approximation, Chebyshev filter approximation. We will study later in the course. So in this video we have learned about ideal low pass filter, and to design any practical filter what approximation we have to make we have learned in this video. Thank you.